Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. In today's video, we're looking at the Eureka Mite vacuum. Now, the first thing you'll probably notice about this vacuum is just how light it is. This vacuum only weighs 9 pounds, which is incredibly light for a vacuum, and that allows you to get all throughout the house with this vacuum. A nice feature about this vacuum is you can run it in a vertical position, or you can lay it down and tow it behind you in a horizontal position. The vacuum hose is easily detachable. You just push the buttons and pull out, and that makes storing this vacuum in a small space very easy. Now, one feature I really like about this vacuum is the extra long pole length in the vacuum pole. It allows you to really get in different locations without having to hunch over because it's a shorter vacuum, but you can shorten up the pole if you need to. There are sections you can take out. Now, one thing that's fantastic about this is all of the components and the motor and all of that is stored in the roller part of the vacuum. So that makes this vacuum pole extremely light and long. So if you want to get up top, like in higher cabinets or something like that, you can certainly do so with ease. I'm doing this with one arm because of how light it is. Overall, I think the Eureka Mite vacuum is a fantastic, very high quality product, and that's why I highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.